Australia, what is this? Is Scott expat in the Philippines, and what is CJ watching? His favourite show. Wow. Testing Thomas and Percy. Having fun, CJ? Thomas, CJ's little railway set there. Loves to have fun. Loves watching YouTube videos, the kids ones, which is good. Daddy coming out with your food now. Hang on, Snowy. Snowy's food means chicken, egg, and some carrot. Hey, what's the matter? Hey, what's the matter? Oh, you want to eat in peace? Alright, go for it. It's been raining right through since 12 o'clock midnight last night till now, which is a little bit after 20 past 5 here PM. And I'm thinking that the pond down there will be full of water soon. Good. And hear that lovely rain. Yesterday I cut that daisy bush right there, right back. It will come back and come out with a bit of plume on it. All flowers, it's good. And Mum's Naked Ladies, which is the flowers down below the elm tree. Cut a couple of branches off the silver birch, which is that one leaning because of the tea tree. It's leaning forward. Cut a couple of that yesterday and put it all down in the compost bin down the bottom behind the water fountain, water bird's bath there, sorry. So that will be breaking down with the water. And I also cut the daisy bush down near the Strzelecki there. No work on the pond today, guys, unfortunately. Been raining constant, as I said. It's a bit muddy down there, so I don't want to have mud all trounced around and make the grass look bad. So I've got to put some grass seed where the slide is and where the kids, where CJ's chair and table are, which actually upside down becomes a seesaw. So I'll leave that. That's the 20 past 5 train heading into Sunbridge Station. So I'll leave that. I'll put some grass seed down there, and I've got to put some grass seed down here too as well, guys. I filled up the holes. What I had planned didn't plan out the way I wanted it, so we'll regrass that again. But yeah, so it's just been a wet day and I haven't been able to do much except muck around and play with CJ all day today. Megs came down before and got some bread to eat. Must have been hungry. That's the view across the road. Rain. So it's a bit of a wet, old, dreary day as we call it here in Melbourne. Looks like Snowee's tummy's all full. Oh no, she hasn't finished yet. She's still going with her bowl. It's just a mix of mince, carrot, fried rice, an egg, and a bit of chicken to go with it. So, which is all good for her, all healthy food. Not hot, just cold. She enjoys it, so she's having fun. Been outside in the cold all day today, unfortunately, but she was out running around when the rain came and barking and got saturated, so that's why she couldn't come in. Oh no! What's that, CJ? Oh no! Yeah? Yeah? Oh! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa!
Teo, what's the emergency?
There was a crash in the construction zone, and now there's a fire.
Alright, but first we need to get in our...
Yeah, so CJ loves the kids' videos. Nick Jr. and all his friends are on there, so he enjoys them. Anyway, this has been Scott, expat in the Philippines. Catch you later, guys. Have a great night. Take care. God bless.